All right, the next thing I wanted to go over with you guys is the release of our Evergreen campaigns. So now if you come into the marketing tab under Evergreen, we've got a new section here. This has been basically merged with our previous rate update section, right? So what the rate update section is it is the weekly update to the partners for market rate updates or for borrowers. So these are the campaigns that are going out summarizing what's happening in the market. So as an example, just to pull this up, I'll open this for you. Okay, this is under a manual content, right, where it's sending the daily rate update email as well as text message. Now, the big upgrade to the Evergreen campaigns is now we've got AI content in addition to the manual content. So let me exit out of this and I'll just show you. We'll hop into the templates here. One of the templates that I want to highlight here is the things to do this weekend. So let's go ahead and we're going to check out this template. We'll use it to pull it in. And what we've pulled in is we've pulled in the prompt. So what this prompt is doing is it's telling the AI what we want it to do on a consistent basis. And so in this case, we're going to be doing a things to do this weekend, which is targeting borrowers via email. And it's going to be a weekly email that goes out on Thursday at 10 a.m. Okay, so that's the settings of how we've set up this campaign. Now the personalized per contact, what that means is AI is going to generate a unique content, basically a unique message for each contact using their data, if it's their zip code, their city, their area code, whatever specifics you want to write a personalized message to that contact, we're going to select this one. And so what it's going to do is it's going to write a friendly Friday email recommending 3 to 4 things to do this weekend. So let's go ahead and I'm going to hit preview here. And that's going to go ahead and let the AI start building that out for us. All right, now here is the result. So the AI has written a personalized email to the borrower specific to their location, where are they at. So what we've got here is we've got Newport Beach Jazz Festival, Costa Mesa, Night Market, Yellow Card in Santa Ana, Balboa Island Parade. So essentially what you're seeing here is AI is writing this on a consistent basis for each individual borrower. So it's going to be very personalized. And these are very popular ways to keep in touch with your referral partners, with your borrowers. So that's how you actually use the AI to create. So if you want to send a test, I'm going to just go ahead and throw myself in there, hit send test, and boom, you've got it out into your inbox. So there's lots of the global templates. What we'll go over these real quick is a global template is gonna be a template for everyone. The AI rewrites each send. So this is per contact per send, and this one is just one-time per send. A great example of this would be a market newsletter, right? If you need to write a newsletter that you want to send to the borrowers, let's go ahead and actually hop back out of here. We're gonna go ahead and discard and leave, and go into our newsletter. All right, so hop back in templates. We've got the newsletter. We're going to look at this one, the weekly homeownership tip. So I'm going to go ahead and use that template. And so this is going to be global template. So it's going to be the same message that goes out to every person, but it's going to be a uniquely newly written message that goes out on Monday morning, right? So here's the instructions of what we want the newsletter to look like, the things we want it to be inclusive of. And we can come in here, go minimal. That's wouldn't probably be sufficient to get a very good newsletter type. I'm going to go detailed on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then we're going to go ahead and we'll just run a quick preview here of this one. And here we have it. The AI has written the content. It's going to be Monday homeowner check-in, 2 summer maintenance checks that protect your home. Tip 1, clear gutters. Tip 2, keep air vent system fresh. Quick homeownership perspective. But that would be an example of a global email that's composed by the AI on a consistent basis. Again, send test if you'd like to. But that is the setup for going through the Evergreen campaigns. Now, again, the manual content is going to be, if you want to do something that's going to be manually written, email or text, personalized per contact, global template as well, so you can toggle between these different ones. And of course, we have borrowers and partners selectable within the audience. And if you do email and SMS, what's going to happen on, say, for example, a newsletter type of a situation, if you do send it out via text message, the AI is not going to put the entire content of the newsletter into the text message. What it's going to do, it's going to create a short text message introducing the newsletter link, and it's going to give the borrower a link to click on, and then they'll view the HTML web version of the newsletter if you do want to include those delivered via SMS as well. So that is the setup of the Evergreen campaign. feel free to reach out with any questions. Again, this is in beta, so we're going through just finalizing things. So if you do run into something and you want to give us any suggestions, feel free to reach out to support. And we'll look forward to additional rollouts as they come in the upcoming weeks. Thanks, everyone.